Hey guys, here's 7 Nation Army, the super easy way. There's only 3 parts that we gotta do, and I'm gonna leave it up to you to arrange them. I've got some Patreon guides below, by the way, if you want some help with that. Here is your intro and your verse riff, the main riff that you keep hearing. Again, this is all skewed, especially for beginners. We're gonna be on the A string, 7th fret, play that with our first finger, and we're gonna play that again. And then with our pinky, we're gonna play the 10th fret, and then come back to the 7. So the next move is the 5th fret, 3rd fret, then 2nd fret. And that's the whole riff. So practice that, get comfortable with that. That right there is going to take care of a good chunk of the song. So that will run a few times in the intro, 8 times in the verse, and then get into what's this part that always happens between the verse and the choruses, which is kind of this break. And that's basically this. I'm on the E string, playing the 3rd fret, and then the 5th fret. I'm doing that 8 times each, officially with a count of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that will take care of your break. Okay, again, super easy, simple version. If you want to beef that up, you can always do a power chord there. Then the final piece of the puzzle here is your chorus. And the chorus is basically the same thing as that main intro verse riff, but with a little tweak. There's like almost a riff A, riff B. Riff A is what you already know. Here's the whole chorus, by the way. And that right there will essentially repeat based on which chorus you're in, however many times, but basically it's just the same riff that we did before. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2, and then the second time, there's a little change. It goes 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, here's where it gets weird, 3, 5, 3, 2. So watch for that, and that's gonna go kind of every other time in your choruses. And then of course you just end on an E if you get all the way to that point. I don't really count that one. Now what I have, especially for you if you're a beginner, is a shorter version linked below, along with a free Patreon guide with a custom tab I made just for that short version. Reason why I like it is because it gets you momentum, gets you playing a song and finishing a song very, very quickly. So if that's your thing, great. Those 3 parts will work just fine for the main actual full-length track as well, in case you want to do it that way. I might suggest starting with a short version if you're a beginner and moving your way up. Having fun. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Become a Patreon member. Get this totally for free if you're a Patreon member, and I'll see you guys in the next video.